so that they also start selling.
Yes.
So we are selling mushrooms. Please come and join us as we sell. Wakyalero kabwingi. It is not much. Customers are complaining.
That's why I've moved over the range.
Customers are complaining that there are no mushrooms. The mushrooms are not enough. My goodness. So today I was posing we have a lot, and for you you're saying we do not have enough.
I do take that big basin where I finish it.
You take the big basin and they finish the mushrooms.
Yes.
Today it is very little.
Yes.
My goodness. What are we going to do?
The seedlings I start planting.
You want to start growing the mushrooms?
Yes.
People always say there is no market.
They have learned how to eat them.
They've learned how to eat them. My goodness. Yeah, we have market, we do not have the mushrooms. So whoever joins, you are assured you don't have enough mushrooms. You are assured of market. So we are here selling mushrooms. So you sell to Gloria Primary School.
There I supply them.
You supply the mushrooms.
Plus,
For how much?
per day they can take like 10,000.
Every day they take for 10,000. Gloria Primary School. And then do you have other customers?
There are many.
You have very many customers for mushrooms.
Even they have taken the contact.
They've taken the contact. Okay, let them give you the mushrooms.
There is a meeting.
On Saturday you have a meeting. So you will not take mushrooms.
I take them. I need to go with them early in the morning.
You want to go with the mushrooms very early in the morning.
Those ones say they want to do.
They buy the mushrooms. So there is a lot of market for the mushrooms.
Yes.
Okay. Take a hand. Yum. We are going to sell. We are going to sell. Who says there is no market on your name? Who says there is no market? Who says it? Hey! Bye to go. So selling mushrooms and selling sukuma wiki, which one do you enjoy selling most? You deal in all of them, but which one do you love selling? What do you enjoy? Why mushroom? Eh? Why mushroom?
Mushroom.
Eh?
Okay. The other one will start at 500. This one will start and measuring at 1,000.
For the kale, you start measuring at 500, but here you start at 1,000. So
All of them have customers.
both of them have customers. So mushrooms bring in a lot more money than kale. Eh?
Yes.
Mushrooms bring in a lot of money more than kale, sukuma wiki. Ogwo Heleni okegera nkakutunda. Helen okegera nkakutunda. Eco. Okay. We are selling mushrooms. Have you ever imagined how we sell them? This is what we do. So she wants mushrooms morning and evening.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one. That one is small.
Genda otoozeeyo tuyijuze guno muteeko. I'm glad that you're getting some money from the mushrooms.
I get little for surviving. And I'm sitting at home. 16. 26.
26. So we are selling mushrooms, and she's here to buy the mushrooms, and she comes, picks in the morning and in the evening. So she wants in the morning and the evening. I call upon the women in and around Hoima to join. There is a lot of market. We can never finish this market. A lot of market. She buys kale from us together with the mushrooms. Yeah, so that's where we are. A bucket giteeke enyuma kuli. Okwo. So you decided to come in the rain. Oh, that is how you advertise the mushrooms for people to know that you have mushrooms. You pick the good ones and put them here. So that is how she advertises that she's having mushrooms. Bye.
Ellen, pray for me, eh?
You're going to finish them.
Okay.
There she goes. I might have good news for you, Lion's Men. We have you this time. This time it is Lion's Men. This time, this is Lion's Mane. Now, this is one of the mushroom blocks that we made out of the Lion's Mane grain spawn that we had. So we made the mushroom blocks, put them there, and as you know, Lion's Mane mycelium is never serious. It will never finish the whole block. So to our surprise yesterday as we checked, we saw some small pinnings. And here I come to check again today. So look at this. I don't want even to touch near that one. This time it is hard. That should be Lion's Mane. There is that pinning. There is also this pinning here. This one also is of Lion's Mane. There is also this one here. You can see the mycelium is scanty, and this one was named here. There is also this one. Lion's Mane Garden, made 8th September 2025. So this time, just keep watching this week. I might have good news for you. We have you.